While many farmers in other regions wait for the monsoon rains to plant paddy, spring paddy is already swaying in the fields of Bara and Parsa. In some places, the crop is nearly ready for harvest. Some farmers even continued planting spring paddy until the second week of the Nepali month of Jesta. In recent years, cultivation of spring paddy has notably increased in these two districts. Farmers who have access to canal and boring-based irrigation systems are primarily the ones growing it.
प्रत्येक वर्ष चैते धानको क्षेत्रमा विस्तार भइरहेछ किनकि अब चैते धान सम्बन्धी अब कार्यक्रमहरू पनि सञ्चालित छ। चैते धान प्रवर्धन कार्यक्रम PMMP-बाट पनि छ, स्थानीय निकायबाट पनि छ। त्यसकारण हाम्रो चैते धानको क्षेत्रफल बढिरहेछ।
Out of the nearly 70,000 hectares of arable land in Bara, 18,000 hectares have been used for spring paddy cultivation this year. This is a significant expansion compared to the 10,000 hectares cultivated last year. Similarly, in Parsa, where there is about 54,000 hectares of arable land, spring paddy cultivation has increased from around 5,000 hectares last year to 9,500 hectares this year. This growth is attributed to the efforts of the local agricultural knowledge centers and local governments, which have encouraged farmers to take up spring paddy farming.
लगभग 2 गुना हाराहारीले बढेको अवस्था छ। क्षेत्रफलको हिसाबले हेर्यौं भने पालिकाहरूले पनि चाहिँ चैते धान फोकसमा कार्यक्रमहरू सञ्चालन गर्ने भएर र हाम्रो पनि यस कृषि ज्ञान केन्द्र पर्साबाट पनि हामीले यो चैते धान प्रवर्धन कार्यक्रम अन्तर्गत पनि हामीले पनि केही सपोर्ट गरेर सिँचाइको प्रबन्ध गरेर बिउहरू उपलब्ध भएर समयमै मलखादको पनि बन्दोबस्ती भएर चाहिँ अहिले एरिया चाहिँ बढेको छ हाम्रो।
However, growing spring paddy in the dry months of the Nepali month of Chaitra and Baisakh without reliable irrigation is extremely difficult. Farmers without access to canals or deep boring facilities cannot even imagine cultivating this paddy. Even in the monsoon season, they struggle with irrigation and fertilizer supply.
चैते धान लगाउँदाखेरि मेन प्रधान सिँचाइकै हुन्छ र सिँचाइ भयो भने हामीलाई त्यो सजिलो हुन्छ अनि सिँचाइ भएन भने त्यो खेर जान्छ।
To promote spring paddy, the government has allocated a budget of 330 million Nepali rupees for infrastructure development, targeting farmers in 22 districts. However, this amount is considered quite insufficient. For Kantipur News, a report by Upendra Thakur with Pankaj Shrestha.